Yellow team running in position. Rio Rancho trying to score. Alamogordo working that switch. Over here on the red. Right center forwards the switch. Right center forwards first. Right center moving in. Moving in on the canister. Rio Rancho going after that switch again. Right Sam's got a transfer over in the scoring position. Putting it over, there you go. Set it down easy, set it down easy. Right there, almost got it. Almost got it. 1 minute left in this round. 1 minute left. Right there, going after number 2. After number 2. 45 seconds left in this round. Right there, drop canister number 2. Moving on into position. 20 seconds left. 20 seconds. 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's the end of this round. Good job, everybody. Good job. We should now have coming to the beginning floor. For round 15, Via Middle School.